Starseeds, so today I'm going to show you how to make this incredible, delicious Thai-style jackfruit curry. Now for those of you who haven't tried jackfruit, you need to just press pause and go out to the store and get yourselves a nice jar of jackfruit, or even better, fresh jackfruit. So anyway, this is a delicious low-carb recipe that I'm dying to share with you guys. So before we get into the kitchen, don't forget to like and subscribe because you know that I am here every single week, freeing our beings one recipe at a time together. So let's do it. So today I'm going to be using jackfruit from the brand Clear Spring. So all you want to do here is discard all the water, so strain it, and then set your jackfruit aside because we are going to make the marinade for the jackfruit because it's going to be going into the oven shortly. So what you're going to do is to a bowl, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of vegan yogurt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon of curry powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. So what you're going to do here is you're just going to mix all the ingredients together, and then you're going to take your gorgeous jackfruit and you're just going to place it in the bowl and you're going to mix it up and you're going to make sure that all of the chunky pieces are covered with the marinade. Once that's done, you're just going to place it into a baking tray lined with some parchment paper, and then in the oven it goes for about 25 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. That's it. So now let's go ahead and make the curry. So to a saucepan, you're just going to add in a little bit of coconut oil, and then you're going to add in some garlic and ginger mince. Now this is super easy, guys. All you have to do is take a big chunk of ginger, throw it into your food processor, along with 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and then just give it a whiz, and boom, you got your garlic and ginger mince. That's all there is to it. So you're gonna place your garlic and ginger mince in the saucepan, and you're just gonna give it a little stir, and then you're gonna add in about 1 chopped onion. You wanna finely chop it, place it in the saucepan along with, I'm using red and green hot chili peppers here. So it depends how spicy you want the dish to be. I recently I'm in love with spicy food, so I'm using a little more than usual. You guys can totally leave it out if you're not into spicy foods. So you're gonna cook this up for about 7 minutes until the onions are translucent. Okay guys, so now it's time to add in all of our wonderful spices, starting with 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a pinch of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna mix all that up, and then you're going to add in 1 cup of red peppers and 2 cups of carrots, okay? Chopped carrots. So you're gonna give that a nice mix. Okay, so you're gonna add in 1 cup of coconut milk and you're gonna give it a nice mix. And then you're gonna add in a 1/3 cup of tomato sauce and you're gonna mix it again, and then you're gonna cover it with a lid and you're just gonna let that cook for about 20 minutes or until your carrots are nice and tender. So at this point, you're gonna add in 2 cups of frozen green peas. You're gonna give it a good mix, and then you're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. Now this is coconut cream from a can of coconut milk, okay? So you don't wanna use the water, you just wanna use that nice thick coconut cream, which is the first half of the can. You know what I'm talking about. So you're just gonna mix all that goodness up, cover it for another 10 minutes, and voila, you have Thai-style jackfruit curry. But we're not done because this is the best part, which is you're going to add in all of your baked jackfruit pieces into the curry, and you're gonna give it a nice toss, and then after that, you're going to add in some chunks of pineapple. So you're gonna add in the pineapple chunks and you're gonna mix it all up until all the ingredients and spices are nicely combined, and that's it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you why I love this dish so much. All of the wonderful spices that we're using in this recipe mixed with the jackfruit and the pineapple is just really delicious, and this is actually more of a Thai-style curry dish rather than an Indian one because it's more coconut based and less tomato based. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm sure your family and friends are gonna love you if you make this for them. So I went out and bought 1 million jars of this jackfruit because I find that actually tofu really bloats me. I don't know if you guys have the same issue, but I found that like I was just bloated, and not only in my belly area, but like my legs and my arms. And I just feel like since I stopped eating tofu so much, I've deflated, really. So now I'm just really excited about jackfruit because it really does have a great texture and it works really well in curries and also in sandwiches. So I'm really excited. I think the next 2 or 3 videos are gonna be on jackfruit, like jackfruit fajitas, jackfruit tacos, jackfruit tuna sandwiches, and I'm just gonna get creative and share these recipes with you guys. So if you liked the video, hit that like button, and if you loved it, don't forget to subscribe, because I am here every single week freeing our beings one recipe at a time together. So leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts and feelings about this recipe, and if you tried it, let me know. So I'll see you guys next time for the next video. Bye.